Hello everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Learning. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in English grammar. Our topic is adverbs. Do not worry. I will teach you slowly, clearly, and with many easy examples. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what an adverb is, know different types of adverbs, learn how to use adverbs correctly, speak and write English more clearly and naturally. So take a notebook, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. What is an adverb? Simple definition. An adverb is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, an adjective, another adverb. In very simple words, an adverb tells us how, when, where, how often, or how much something happens. Example 1. Adverb with a verb. She speaks slowly. Here, speaks gives verb, slowly gives adverb. It tells us how she speaks. Example 2. Adverb with an adjective. The movie is very interesting. Here, interesting gives adjective, very gives adverb. It tells us how much the movie is interesting. Example 3. Adverb with another adverb. He runs very fast. Here, fast gives adverb, very gives adverb. It gives more information about another adverb. Part 2. How to recognize an adverb. Most adverbs end in lie. Many adverbs are formed by adding lie to adjectives. Adjective, adverb, slow, slowly, quick, quickly, happy, happily, easy, easily, careful, carefully, important. Not all adverbs end in lie. Examples: fast, hard, well, late, early. Part 3. Types of adverbs. Now, let's learn different types of adverbs. I will explain each type with simple meaning and daily life examples. 1. Adverbs of manner. How? Meaning. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens. Question. How? Common adverbs of manner. Slowly, quickly, carefully, loudly, quietly, well, badly. Examples. She walks slowly. He drives carefully. The baby sleeps quietly. The students answered correctly. Teacher tip. Most adverbs of manner come after the verb or after the object. Example: she speaks English clearly. He finished his work quickly. 2. Adverbs of time. WHEN. Meaning. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. Question. When? Common adverbs of time. Now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, already, soon, late, early. Examples: I am studying now. We met yesterday. She will call you tomorrow. He arrived late. Position. Adverbs of time usually come at the end of the sentence. Example: I finished my homework last night. 3. Adverbs of place. Where? Meaning. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. Question. Where? Common adverbs of place. Here, there, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere. Examples: please sit here. She is waiting outside. The children are playing there. He looked everywhere. 4. Adverbs of frequency. How often? Meaning. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Question. How often? Common adverbs of frequency. Adverb. Meaning. Always. 100%. Usually. Most times. Often. Many times. Sometimes. Sometimes. Rarely. Not often. Never. 0%. Nearby. We met yesterday. Part 5. Common mistakes with adverbs. Mistake 1. Using adjective instead of adverb. She sings beautiful. She sings beautifully. Mistake 2. Double adverbs. He runs very fastly. He runs very fast. Mistake 3. Wrong position. Always I go to school early. I always go to school early. Part 6. Adverbs in daily life sentences. Let's practice real-life English. I wake up early every day. She speaks politely to everyone. We often eat dinner together. He works very hard. They are always on time. Part 7. Short practice for students. Fill in the blank. She speaks English _clear. I watch TV at night. Often never. He arrived late loudly. The test was underscored difficult very carefully. Answers: clearly, often, never, late, very. Part 8. Teacher's final advice. Dear students, do not try to memorize everything in one day. Use adverbs daily when you speak, write, think in English. Start with simple adverbs: very, always, often, slowly, now. Practice a little every day. Outro for your channel. Thank you for watching Everyday Learning. If you like this lesson, like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to Everyday Learning. In the next lesson, we will learn adjectives versus adverbs with more practice. See you again. Keep learning. Keep growing.